Hi, I am Catherine Diaz, a public account student of University Nacional Abierta y a Distancia. My presentation and daily routine. My name is Catherine Diaz and I am Colombian. I live in Suacha, a municipality of Cundinamarca. I work in hospital, a reviewer of medical accounts. I am 27 years old. My house is small and live it with my son. This is my activity on a typical day. I wake up 5 a.m. or 6 a.m. Take a shower and get ready. Then I have breakfast and I walk to the hospital at 7 a.m. Later at 1 p.m. I have lunch and drink coffee. I leave the hospital at 7:30 p.m. and go back home. I arrive home at 8 p.m. or 9 p.m. I have dinner and watch TV. Later, I study until 11 p.m. or 10 p.m. and finally I'll go to sleep. Thank you.